Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will learn about an ideal village named Hiware Bazar. Hiware Bazar is India's pioneering ideal village, renowned for its remarkable transformation from a drought-stricken, impoverished community to prosperous, self-reliant model of sustainable rural development, achieving agricultural success, high literacy, and transparent governance through water conservation, community participation, and visionary leadership under Sarpanch PAWR. This village is located in Ahmednagar district, officially Ahilyaanagar district. It is situated on the eastern side of Sahyadri range that runs north to south. Ahmednagar district is drought prone with an average rainfall of about 400 millimeters. How was the situation in 1980s? Tree felling and overgrazing was common among rich and poor households. Hillocks had been look. Soil erosion was prominent. Groundwater levels were low. Fodder and fuel wood shortage was common. Of the total geographical area of the village of 976.84 hectares, 795.23 hectares was cultivable. According to Baguji Popatrao PAWR, 95% of families would migrate for 4 months. In 1989-90, only 12% of the land was cultivable. There was a rampant poverty. There were 22 illicit liquor outlets. Alcohol addiction and gambling was common. However, the village experienced turnaround after 1989. Popatrao Baguji PAWR, the only postgraduate in the village, won the post of Gram Panchayat Sarpanch unopposed. Joint Forest Management Committee was set up in 1990, under which the work of digging wells and planting trees in the village was started. Soil and water conservation works in Hiware Bazar were implemented on common lands and on private grasslands. Continuous contour trenches were dug on the hill slopes to arrest the erosion, harvest water and encourage the growth of grass. Check dams, percolation tanks and loose boulder structures were made. There are about 340 wells in the village now. For the Adarsh Gram Yojana, following the visit to Ralegaon Siddhi, it was selected under Adarsh Gram Yojana in 1994-95 to implement Adarsh Gram Yojana, a 5-year plan and integrated model development. When Adarsh Gram Yojana was launched, there were also some preconditions set for the selection of village. Most important were the 4 bandis or bands made famous by Ralegaon Siddhi experience. The 4 bandis were Kurhad Bandi, Charai Bandi, Nas Bandi and Nasha Bandi. There were other bans in the village which were added later. Most significant was ban on bore wells for irrigation. Growing sugarcane, banana, pomegranate intensive were banned. Selling of one's land to the outsider was also banned. Mandated HIV or AIDS test before marriage. They kept rainfall data meticulously and used it for crop planning. Let's see the outcome. Range of crops were more diverse than in the past, with people growing potatoes, onions, fruits, flowers, and wheat. Particularly potatoes, onions brought more prosperity to the farmers of this village. Significant development is that increased water availability made a second crop possible. Even summer crop has increased from 7 hectares to 72 hectares. Small and marginal farmers' lands became more productive. Landless laborers' wages increased. Banks came forward to give loans to the small and marginal farmers. Migration to the other regions reduced. Milk production in the village has also increased from 140 to 3,000 liters per day. More than 1/4 of the family's income is more than 10 lakh per year, so it was rightly called village of millionaires. Literacy levels increased. For watching. Thank you so much.